to the top right here, the 9 dots, click on it, scroll down to classroom, and you're gonna go, I'm gonna have to go on the student side. So 9 dots, go to classroom, go to 2nd grade, and then you're gonna go to this tab right here that says classwork. Click on that. You're gonna go to step 2 where it says calendar. Click on that one and view assignment. You should already have this right here where under your work, it's gonna have your name and it should say step 2 or something similar to that. If it doesn't have it, then you need to start from the beginning to go to the plus sign and click on that and go to docs. So that's how you start the new one. But if you already have it here, then just click on it. If you don't have this here, then go to add or create and go to docs. So we're gonna click on that box that has our name on it. And I think from the first time we tried it, we should have our name, number, and date. If not, go ahead and do that. You're gonna keep it on the left side for now. Now, once you have your name, number, and date, press return 3 times. And then you're gonna go to, let's see, you're gonna go to insert. Excuse me, you're gonna go to the second one that says table, and you're gonna go to up to 7. So just move your mouse around or to the right of it, and then you're gonna go down so it looks like a multiplication table. 7 times 4, 7 times 6, and then up to 7 times 7. And then you click on it. Once you've got that, you now have a table. So you go to format, insert table, and then 7 by 7. And once you've got it, you just click on it and let it go. And then this will appear. So now you're gonna click on this first row, highlight it with your mouse, and you're gonna go to format and table, and this is how you merge cells. So it has 6 cells, but this time or 7 cells, but now I want to make it one whole one because this is where we're gonna put our month. So here I made it now, see the lines are gone. I made one whole cell. So now what I can do is I can go to change the size. Let's change it to 18. Let's put it on bold. And if you move your mouse around on top of these little pictures, it's gonna tell you exactly what these are. So you can do that. And then you're gonna come here where this box is with the lines. And if you move your mouse, like I said, you'll see that it says align. Press the down arrow and you're gonna press the second one to center it. And now I'm gonna do the month of July. So once you've done that, write your month, then you can go to the next box at the bottom here. Really quick before I move on, if you don't have this box, depending on the size of your window, you might have to make it a little bit bigger, but if you can't, you'll see that there's 3 dots and that you can select that and it'll give you more options. So then you click on that first box so that you're on the, actually let's center it. So we're gonna center it, we're gonna bold it, and we're gonna put it at size 12. So our week starts with Sunday, then Monday, and you see that Monday is not bolded, neither is Tuesday or Wednesday, or let's see, all of these days of the week. So what we're gonna have to do, I'll show you how to fix that. And it's not a problem. And if you see, I purposely spelled Saturday incorrectly. So if you click on Saturday, the suggested the suggested spelling is above it. You click on Saturday, and then now it's fixed. Now what you can do is you can highlight it, all these. Now you go to bold, and you go to center. Now they're all centered and bolded, so they stand out. Now Wednesday, the Y is underneath, so we have to make that a little bit bigger. You're gonna put your mouse between, or your cursor between Wednesday and Thursday. You're gonna press down and it's gonna turn blue and you just move it to the right. Drag it a little bit. So Wednesday, now the Y is there, but now Thursday's Y is underneath. So we just go between Thursday and Friday, double arrow, and you click to the right, or drag to the right, sorry. Now you've got it. So my month starts on Wednesday. So I'm gonna put Wednesday. It starts on the first starts on Wednesday, then Thursday, all the way till I get up to 31, because in this month we have 31 days. So we're gonna keep going. And until we get to, oops, too many twos here. So until we get to 21. So let's see, we're almost there. And just to make sure, you can check on your calendar, like on your phone or on the computer, and make sure that I had checked earlier, my day, the month ends on a Friday, the 31st. So now we've got that. Now, a useful worksheet to have is the one that I had posted earlier, step 1, or have this one out, because these important events that you had listed here are now going to be put into your calendar. Okay, so you can keep that on the side here. You can split your screen, or you can print it out, or you can take notes and write it down. So now I'm going to input my important dates. I'm going to go behind the 4 and press return 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press behind the 11 and press return 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to do that for all of them. Behind the 18, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to make sure it's behind the number. 2, 3, 4. And this one's an empty box, so we just click on it and press return 4 times. So now we've got our calendar. So for July, let's say that I have an important event for July. It's a birthday. So I go behind the number and I can press return. And here I can put Sam's birthday. And let's say birthday is too long to spell it, so we can put B-day. Now here behind the 4, we press return. And we can write 4th of July. And see how it kind of moved it down? What you can do is press at the bottom right here with your mouse and just press delete, and it brings it back up. So then I have, let's say right here we have David's B-day. And right here we have Mom and Dad's anniversary. Then I can go wherever else I need to add it, and I just click on the number at the end of the number, behind the number, and just press return, and then I can write the event. So that's how you make the calendar, so you're up to date with it on Friday. And I can show you on Friday how to change the size, the font, and how to change the way that the words look so that it stands out a little bit more. All right, so I hope that helps out. If you have any questions, remember I have office hours from 7:30 to 8 in the morning, and I can help you there if this didn't help, but hopefully it does help. All right, thank you, bye.